Hey YouTube, look what I got in the mail. It's my Lashybox. I love this box. Lashybox. I love this box. So when we open it, I'm giving this box away because my best friend's mama is going to repurpose the boxes. She's going to use them to make other stuff with. So, and when you open it, that's what it looks like. And the first thing to pop out are the, you know, like those magic cloths, you know, that do makeup. These are similar to that. They were talking about it, and we got two. So they're eye makeup removers, and we got one in dark pink and one in light pink. This is going to be really useful because that's just so cool. So now I got a pink these and a pink big one. Yay! And then we got a little ornament. Ooh. It don't matter that that came off because it's just for hanging. So here's the lashes. And here's what it says. Lashybox 3D Silk Lashes Lacy. And let's see. Have to be smarter than the package. Here's what they look like. I kind of like those. Birdie, you gotta be smarter than the packaging. Okay. And we got another one in Fancy, and it's also 3D silk lashes in Fancy. Kind of like those too. Aww, my glue is kind of open, so it stuck to the box. And then we got Venus Skull Cosmetics. I think that's what that's called. It looks like it's a vegan because look at the little bunny that says no. Those are really cute, and doesn't have a style on here, so I guess they're just basic. And then Zola lashes. Ooh, I like those. And it's in Mia. It's a premium 3D mink lashes, reusable up to 30 times with proper care. And then here's the back. And then here's what it says. And there's what it looks like. I think that after this subscription's over, you know, the 6 months is over, I think I'm going to go to the drama one. I really like this one. I think I'm going to go to the drama one. And then last but not least, in the box, where that glue is sticking, it's driving me nuts. And last but not least, we have Jacqueline Love's Premium Liquid Eyeshadow. It's in Moneymaker. It's in Moneymaker. And my battery's about to die, but I can't. Okay. It's totally plastic. So I'm not going to be able to open it for y'all. I'll talk to you later. Bye.